So the last site of your measurements is the hamstring, and obviously if a client doesn't come in wearing shorts, it can be a little bit challenging obviously to do if they've got like leggings or skins. So ideally the client is wearing shorts. They're obviously going to be laying face down for this. So what you're going to need to do regardless of whether the client is wearing shorts or not is I always give the instruction, Jade, can you just give yourself like a little bit of a one-legged wedgie on this side. So again, I've done all the measurements on the right side because I am right-handed. If you're left-handed, you're going to do on the left side. So this is perfect. You can see the glute fold. So there's a line there. What you do, there's a few ways you can find the glute fold, is you can run the calipers up exactly where you hit the bump. That's where you're going to take it. That's where the glute fold is. The other way to do it is I like to put my calipers straight in to where the bottom of the glute, and you can see, if you palpate, you can see basically the line of the glute fold in which you're going to be actually measuring. So in that saying, if you do ever get a competitor, you do see there's almost a triangular pocket of fat. That's exactly where you need to take it. So I'm going to do it the easiest way to do it, which is for most people, which is to find that essentially bump at the top and get into the glute fold. So then what you're going to do, and also for this one, you need to have the most firmest grip for the hamstring because it is quite, I suppose, stubborn fat for people to grab. So lifting your leg up, as Jade lifts up, you can see that line that's created there as well. That's where the glute fold is. And again, I'm halfway between the hamstring. Put my hand, broad contact, pulling it all together, and that's where the glute fold is there, and that's a perfect measurement there. That's how to do it. I'll explain it one more time, just a little bit slower. Bringing the calipers straight up, you hit the bump, you come up, you bend the knee up, you bring it up above. You can see that line, well, maybe on camera you can't see, but there's a line below, there's a line above. That's the pocket of fat I want to measure. So as you see, I put my calipers in, it makes a line. Now I'm having broad contact, I'm pushing up, bringing it away and bringing the calipers in to take the fold. And that's exactly how you take the hamstring measurement.